Hello students and teachers and friends, welcome to LearnDX G। आज लॉगरिथम का 5th क्लास है। इस क्लास में हम लोग 3 क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, सो देखिए, ये है आज का 3 क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, तो चलो सॉल्व करते हैं एक एक करके। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। इसमें क्या है, द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर लेस देन और इक्वल टू द नंबर दिस। इसका ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू निकलना है, मतलब बॉक्स वैल्यू। ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर को बॉक्स वैल्यू भी कह सकते हैं, तो इसका निकलना है। तो इसमें जो फॉर्मूला यूज होगा वो फॉर्मूला मैं लिख देता हूं, log ऑफ ए बी इंटू log ऑफ बी सी इज इक्वल टू, देखो बी और बी कैंसिल हो जाएगा और आ जाएगा log ऑफ ए सी। सो यही फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। तो द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, log 215 इंटू log 1/6 2 इंटू log 3 1/6। ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी, यहाँ पे भी 1/6 है और यहाँ पे बेस पे भी 1/6 है, तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा। सो कैंसिल करके मैं लिख सकता हूँ ये 215 इंटू, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे मिलेगा 2 और बेस में आ जाएगा 3। नाउ देखो, 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा। सो फिर से वो फॉर्मूला यूज करके यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं 15 एंड 3। ओके, तो अभी इसका तो सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म है ये। इसका अगर बॉक्स वैल्यू निकालना है तो इसका लेस देन एक इंटीजर वैल्यू निकालना है जो बाकी इंटीजर से बड़ा होगा। सो log 15, देखो, ओके, सो log 15 कैन बी रिटन एज, दिस इज लेस देन 15 is between 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. So this is less than 3 to the power 3 and this is greater than log of 3 to the power square, that is 9. So clearly we can see that, and this is exactly equal to 2. So the box value of log 15 3 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is C. Okay, hope you like it. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe and post your valuable feedbacks. Okay, let's continue to the next question. The question number 10, यहाँ पे क्या है, log 3 log वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, उसमें से ये इसको निकालना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ABC। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं, so log 3 2 is A, that means 3 can be written as 2 to the power A। ओके, सिमिलरली यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं कि 5 इक्वल टू 3 to the power B, और यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं 2 is equal to 7 to the power C। ओके, now what we need this, let us simplify it, 140। okay, so this is log 63 divided by log 140. Now let's factorize it. So 63 is 9 into 7. So this is 9 means 2 times log 3, that is log of 3 square plus log of 7. Okay. So now 140 is 10 times 14, that is 20 times 7. So log 7 plus log 20. 20 को हम लिख सकते हैं कि log 5 into 4. So log 5 plus 2 log 2. Okay, clear? Now we will use this part. We'll use this and this and this to simplify this for you. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, देखो, तो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि log of 3 is a into log of 2, correct ना? If I take log on both sides, so log 3 is basically a into log 2. Okay, so I will replace this. So log 3 is a into log 2. So my idea will be to replace everything in the form of log 2. Let's see we can do it or not. Log 7. Okay, now log 7. So this is from here I can say like log 2 is equal to c times log 7. So log 7 is basically log 2 by c. So it is log 2 by log c. Log 2 by c. Okay. So the idea is to convert everything into log 2 so that log 2 gets cancelled. Okay. Okay. Now log 7. Log 7 is again log 2 by c. Log 2 by c. Log 5. See, log 5 can be written in the form of log 3 and log 3 can be written in the form of log 2. So basically using these two equations we can write log 3 in the log 5 in the form of log 2. Okay, so let's simplify this here. So basically log 5 is equal to b times log 3 and log 3 is a times log 2. So this is ab times log 2. Okay, so let's write this. Log 5 is ab times log 2. Then 2 log 2, it's already there, 2 log 2. So log 2 will get cancelled and what we get, it's that 2a plus 1 over c divided by this is 1 over c and this is ab and this is 2. Now we multiply by c to the numerator and the denominator. I'll get this is 1 plus 2ac and this is 1 plus or better, so okay, so 1 plus abc plus 2c, 1 plus abc plus 2c. So can we see any corresponding c? 1 plus 2ac divided by 2c plus 1 plus abc. So correct answer is c. Okay. Okay, very good. See, so the idea is, I think you got it, to convert into log 2. You can also convert in log 3 or log 5 or log 7, whatever. Okay. Chalo, next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 में क्या है? देखो. So we have these equations and we have to find the value of k. So k is unknown here. Okay. So let us simplify and let's see. So log, so this can I write log x by log 2. So log x by 4 log 2. Okay. And now this I can write log y divided by 6 log 2. Okay. Now I can cancel this, so I'll have an equation between x and y. Okay, let's see. Let me write this also. So log z divided by 3k log of 2. So let us cancel this log 2 from each side. So let's see what is there. Okay, so what I have log x by 4, log y by 6, log z by 3k. Okay, so I have these things now. Okay, now what? From here, and this equation is also given, do we have anything? Okay, so let's say that everything is equal to a. Okay, then we can find the value of x. So log x is equal to 4 times a. Okay, log x is equal to 4 times a, log y is equal to 6 times a, and log z equal to 3ak. Clear? Now we have this equation. So let's say x cube, y square, and z is equal to 1. So if I apply log on both sides, I have 3 log x plus 2 log y plus log z is equal to 0. Log 1 is 0. Now let us apply log x equals to 4a, log y equals to 6a. Then what I get? I get that 3 times log x means 3 times 4a, that is 12a. 2 times log y, that means 12a. And log z is equals to 3ak is equal to 0. So now, so if I can cancel a on both sides, so I'll have 24 plus 3k is equal to 0. So you can see like k is minus 8. Okay, so this implies k is equal to minus 8. So that's how we got a. Okay, clear? So that was easy question actually, and you can easily solve it. So now it's time for quiz. Okay, so you have this quiz, and you write your answer in the comment section. In the next video I'll post the solution. Okay, so enjoy your math. Okay, don't forget to post your solution. Okay, happy mathing.